Okay, Charlie. No, are you ready, Charlie? Every time I need to film a video, all you're ever doing is sleeping. What am I paying you for? You're supposed to be my producer.
I'm just kidding, my boy. He looks so sad and scared. I can't do that to him. What's up, everybody? Okay, before this video starts, it's just a quick disclaimer. This video was shot a few weeks... Well, my voice cracked. Oh my God, that's so embarrassing. That video was shot a few weeks ago. So this is like future Dan talking to you. I do want to give a huge shout out to YouTube Originals for sponsoring this video. It's always amazing when you get a sponsor on board, and this was super fun. So thank you, YouTube Originals and Origin, for sponsoring this video. You guys are so sick. Let's start the video. This one's good. Enjoy. And it's random package time for us. Terrible intro. What's up, everybody? So today's Wednesday. Oh my God. Sorry guys, it's Wednesday today. I just got a call from the front desk, okay? They were like, Dan. I was like, yeah. They're like, what are you doing? I was like, you're not allowed to ask me that, you're in the front desk. They said they had a package down there for me, just titled my name. Phone number was on file, and that's how I got this package. Now there's no indicator on here other than the fact that it says for Dan Roto only. This is something I probably shouldn't be opening, right? On top it says Origin. It's got a bunch of stars. If you guys get a random package, I do not recommend you guys opening it. Let's go ahead and open it. Shake it maybe. It's like, sounds like the most generic box. Sounds like there's hay. Now before I do this, you guys are all like, what is it, what is it? Let's continue. There's a bunch of red paper, shredded paper. Oh, there's a bunch of items in here. We got a bag of dirt. Straight up, a bag of dirt. I was expecting maybe like a new phone. Is that dirt? Yeah, that's dirt. And there's some grass in there, so we got some dirt and grass. Great, thanks whoever sent this. This is awesome. Always wanted this. There's gotta be purpose to this package. Let's see, here we go. We got a flashlight. Does it work? Oh my God. That works. This is I can't even see, man. Shoot. I don't know if you guys can see this. We have a flashlight. What the f? Guys, it's like freaking ooze that's attached to the paper. It's all over my hand. Oh, this is a scary. Okay, I'm washing my hands. I'll be right back. We got a bag of dirt, we got a flashlight, and we just pulled out some random ass ooze. Gotta be some sort of tie here, right? Finally! Okay, let me show you guys something. In the middle of all this, there's a letter. A heavy ass letter. There's more ooze in there. I need to read this letter, man, otherwise it doesn't make any sense. Cool. Dear Dan, I hope this package found you well. Inside are various items that will help you tell a story into the new world of Origin. Oh, that explains the top of the box. Charlie, that explains the top of the box. It is important that you plug in the USB drive first to ensure these items make sense. We hope you enjoy Origin. Oh, freaking USB. Origin, I'm very sorry I did not open this first because I may have just ruined the package. We're gonna watch this right now and hopefully it makes sense. I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna watch this really quick and hopefully it all makes sense. I'll put it on the screen for you right now, okay?
My name is Xavier Gray. I'm head of the Siren Corporation, founder of the Thea Project. Thea is the only planet we've discovered thus far that can sustain human life. We at Siren are currently in the process of its colonization. This is a new world where your history no longer has any relevance. You have the opportunity to become whatever you want to be. It's no problem of mine, but it's a problem I find.
Everyone's looking for you. You have to disappear.
People are up there living new lives, leaving everything else behind.
What the hell happened on this ship?
Every time I see
The crew, the other passengers, they're left without us.
So this is a package from a TV show called Origin. Really makes sense now. However, some of these things weren't in that trailer. I think that might be it. So let's just pick it. Ooh, not it. There's another letter, not full of slime. What the hell is this? If you guys want to see what the last item in this box is and what this letter says, go over to Origin's YouTube channel, where I actually finished unboxing this and opened the letter, because this is probably the main focal point of this box. I guess a huge thank you to Origin for sending me this package. I'll be honest with you, the dirt, probably gonna toss it, but thanks anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.